Indeed, a beautiful performance, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause to Sangeet Guru, Bab Joel Pereira for conducting such a beautiful ensemble, and for every single artist who performed their pieces well, as well as an orchestra together. Indeed, a treat for all of us musicians who are tapping our feet, our fingers, and ourselves till the end. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for enjoying this beautiful ensemble. And thank you to the orchestra and the artists for putting up such a beautiful ensemble. We now have the special ceremony that we all are here for. Sumail, in association with Mansaban, has taken up this initiative of celebrating the World Music Day as an annual feature. A part of this celebration would include honoring a music teacher who has contributed immensely to music, be it Eastern, Western, folk, classical, or whatever genre. This year, we take the opportunity to bestow this honor to Madam Vimala Lobo. I would like to invite on stage Mr. Sunil Montero. I wish to invite on stage Mr. Sunil Montero, convener Sumail, Mr. Louis Pinto, president of Mansaban, Irene Rubello, secretary Sumail, Mrs. Kavita George, treasurer Sumail, and Sangeet Guru, Mr. Joel Pereira. I request Mr. Louis Pinto, president of Mansaban, to escort Madam Vimala Lobo for the honoring ceremony.
मोगचनो आता आम्ही हांगा सर भोवमान एस्तेन विमला लोबो इका सुमेळ आनी मानसोबान तर्फेन मान करता पयल्यान पयलें मानपत्र वस्त्याक बाई जॅकलीन नागोल दिता.
Mansaban and Sumail present this citation in honor of Madam Vimala Lobo for her outstanding contribution in the field of music. Madam Vimala Lobo was born in Mysore on 16th August 1944 to Mr. R.J. Rego, an IAS officer, and Mrs. Annie Deodith Rego, a pianist and a homemaker. Her early education was at Sacred Heart High School, Bangalore, a part of the Good Shepherd Convent. She continued at the convent to complete her teacher's training under the Madras University. Her passion for music drew her to learn the piano, and by the time she was 14, she began to tutor in music. She married Mr. Reginald Lobo on 2nd January 1969. Her musical career spans over 50 years, and she continues to teach till date. She received her licentiate of Trinity College of London in 1972 and began conducting exams in music for the Trinity College of London since 1973. In 1981, she founded the Canberra Musical Association, where she trained and encouraged children and their parents to develop music and theatrical talents and also build up the family atmosphere to great heights. Apart from music, she engages herself in gardening, embroidery, fitness courses, musicals, theatrics, and etiquette courses. In 2004, she established the Akshara Montessori, now renamed as the Yanapoya School, which is well known for its focus on discipline and all-round development of its pupils. She has been instrumental in molding both the tiny tots and their teachers. She went on to establish her communication center, certified and licensed by the Trinity College of London in 2008, and she continues to train and conduct exams till date for students in communication skills. Through this remarkable journey, Madam Vimala Lobo has carved a niche for herself and has helped take music to great heights regionally and globally. Madam Vimala Lobo has made a major and lasting contribution in the field of music, education, dramatics, and oratory. She has earned and is certainly a very worthy recipient of this honor. We're extremely happy to felicitate Madam Vimala Lobo and present this citation at Kalangan, Shaktinagar, Mangalore on 1st October 2015 on the occasion of World Music Day. For and behalf of the members of Sumail and Mansaban, signed Louis Pinto, Sunil Montero.
मोगचनो इतल्या मान सदक एक आता आम्ही मान करता मान जाता आसतना तुमच्या ताळयां शोशीवर वतास रावा थांबय नाकात. पयल्यान पयलें शॉल घाल मान परगडता मानसभान अध्यक्ष बाब लुई पिंत. ताळयो जोरान वळोवन दीत. जेल्यान सोमान सुमेळ कार्यदर्शीन बाय आयरीन रेबेलो हिचेतावन फोळां सोमान सुमेळाची कजनदार बाय कविता जॉर्ज हिचेतावन मानपद समर्पिता संगीत गुरु बाब जॉयल पिरेरा आणि यादिस्तिका दिता सुमेळ सुसमन्वयी बाब सुनील मोंतेरो आणि मग हांगासर आमी आमचो मान परगडता भोवमानेस्तेन विमला लोबो
I thank Madam Vimala Lobo for accepting this honor, and I invite her to share a few words on this occasion.
Dear friends, it was with great pleasure that I accepted the kind invitation from Sumail in association with its mother body, Mansoban, to be present for this special celebration of World Music Day. Thank you very much. For me, my life and music have been a never-ending song of joy, harmony, and bliss. As the eternal musician Ludwig van Beethoven has rightly said, music is a higher revelation than all wisdom and philosophy. Today, the 1st of October 2015, has been celebrated for the first time in Mangalore as World Music Day. This was originally begun in France way back in 1949. It was also called Fest de la Musique, which means, come, let's make music. The purpose of celebrating World Music Day is to promote music in two ways, amateur and professional. Musicians are encouraged to perform in every street, everywhere. The slogan, Fête de la Musique, or Let's Make Music, is used as their goal. Many free concerts are organized, and all musical performers donate their time, talent, and money, free of charge, for this special occasion. The International Music Council was founded by UNESCO in 1949. It is the world's largest organization of institutions and individuals, and people from over 150 countries worldwide are busy building up peace and understanding among people, thus cutting across barriers like culture and heritage. The IMC's aim is to establish global harmony through music and celebrate International Music Day with special focus by organizing musical events, radio and TV programs, and generally building up an aura of music. It is also encouraging to see young artists emerging to build up the old and the new in this world of music. I was really delighted today to see the quality of the musicians who performed for us and the way each one tried their best. Truly, you are all on the right lines, and I'm amazed at your perfection. Congratulations, and please carry on this good work. Music is the greatest unifier in humanity, and in most social events, musical pieces are dedicated. In fact, no event is better recognized than by music, which completes a perfect social and aesthetic experience. Music also brings people together. Music is the only language by which we can express our words and feelings to anybody, anywhere in the world. This is not possible anywhere else, or with anybody else, or with anything else. We in Mangalore are no less talented and are proud to present our very own organization, Sumail, in association with its mother body, Mansoban, famous for its Fusic musician, which is such a delightful mix of Eastern, Western, classical, folk music, and even Bollywood. For this, all thanks go to Mr. Eric Osario, the well-known Konkani activist, singer, and composer, whom I have known struggling for this cause since I came to Mangalore just after my marriage in 1969. I was very sad to hear from Jacqueline that Eric is ill in hospital. I don't mind if you will allow me, if we could stand up just in prayer for a few moments, that he will continue this, get his health back and continue this wonderful mission that he has been slogging for over the last 50 years. Would you allow me, and shall we just stand for a minute, please? Thank you. We have also enjoyed the cruise through music, Eastern, Western, and music in general, from a wonderful teacher and singer, Bob Kajitan Dias, who has come all the way from Mangalore to share his musical experience with us. And last but not least, our main guru, Joel Pereira, who will conduct the instrumental ensemble, which will paint a rainbow, which includes all kinds of music that we have heard today, including some Bollywood and our famous mandos. Congratulations to you all. At the end of this great musical extravaganza, I'm sure there will be not anyone here who wouldn't say he loves music. Music gives soul to the universe. And before I conclude, may I quote some words from the famous musician John Denver, who says, "Music gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything." With this, I wish this wonderful evening every success. All good wishes to the organizing committee, who have worked so hard, despite each of them holding full-time jobs, to make this World Music Day truly memorable. Thank you very much.
देव बरें करूं मॅडम विमला लोबो तुमकां. आतां आमी आयच्या दिसाच्या अकरेच्या वांट्यात आसा. हांव उलो दिता सुमेळ हिची कार्यदर्शीन मानेस्तीन आयरन रिबेल्लोक उपकार आठवणी करच्या.
संगीत मना दलयता, काळजां फुलयता, मोग उपजयता, उपगोण दवंडयता, जिवीत जिवाळयता, सुखाच्या संवसाराक व्हरून पायता. आज आमकां हुस्सन बोगू हांगासर आसल्या सोमेस्तांक जाला म्हण हांव बरो वचतां. वय जाल्यार वय हांवें म्हणच्या पयल्यान आज विश्व संगीत दिवस संभ्रम पयले फावटी मंगळुरांत आचरण करच्याक सुमेळ कोंकणी गायन मंडळी सुमेळ तशेंच माय संघटन मांडसोबाण पयले फावटी मेट काडलें आनी आज बऱ्या तरान हांगासर हें कार्य जालें. हाका सहकार दिल्ल्या हाच्या खातीर वावंट काडिल्ल्या हर एकल्या उडासकान तांकां उपकार आठोवंक हांव हांगासर आसां. पयल्यान पयलें आयच्या कार्यांत आमची मुखेल सैरीण जावन हजर आसून आमकां बरें मागयल्ल्या आनी आमचो मान स्विकार केल्ल्या मानेस्तीन विमला लोबो हिका आमी समेस्तांच्या तर्फेन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. संगीत सागोराचे भोंवडेर आमकां सगळो संवसार भोंवडावन हाडला. संवसार भोंवडावन हाडचें मात्र न्ही, संवसारभरच्या संगीताची एक झळक आमच्या मुखार दवरून आमकां हांगा तावन सगळ्यान व्हरून संगीत म्हळ्यार कितें म्हणल्यार ताची गुंडाय साकोंक चूर लंचा बरी मात्र